What is up guys, TechRex here. In this video we have a perfectly working iPhone XS. I want to show you guys there's not a single blemish or crack on this phone. Here's the front, here's the back, 10 out of 10 condition. Look at it, it's just literally sparkling. What we're going to be doing in this video is really simple. We're going to be dropping it off this spiral staircase and hopefully it's going to land at the very bottom. You guys can see there's a little black square way down below. But here's the perspective from the top. There won't be any case on the phone, guys. This is just going to be a simple drop. So this is going to be very interesting what happens to the phone if it survives. I'm going to have a camera at the bottom. Hopefully it'll be recording and everything will be in smoothly. So without any further ado, guys, let's get straight into this. Okay, guys, the moment of truth. iPhone XS. Really nervous about this, but I'm going to hit record here. It's going to be on slow-mo, just so I can maybe get some sort of video. And there you go. You guys can see. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1. Oh my goodness. Oh. That was crazy loud. I don't know where it landed, but we just located the phone, guys. This is actually on floor 9, and I want to show you guys the damage here just from the back. This was a brand new phone, and now look at the condition. Surprisingly, the camera looks normal, but man, I hope I can get that footage. So basically, the only thing I could do at this point is just tap the phone and it turns on. I can't unlock it. I can't hit the power button. Okay guys, now we got a different iPhone XS. We actually put it in an OtterBox case and we want to do the same drop test but see if we can actually hit the bottom of the floor. Last time it was around the 14th, so we're at the same location. Once we do that, if the phone survives, we're going to take it out of the case and do another drop test. Same spot, same location, guys. So this is going to be interesting to see. Again, the iPhone XS in the case first. Let's get straight into this. There we have the iPhone XS. We hit record. It's in the case. Let's go ahead and do it whenever you're ready. Oh, yes. We literally got it through every floor. Yes. Okay, guys, let's go to the bottom and check it out. And just to show you guys, we're on floor 3, we're walking down, and this is where the iPhone landed. So it's out of the case, and it's cracked. It does got a crack right there. Oh my goodness. First of all, whoa, what? You gotta be kidding me. What? How does that even happen? The whole phone is 2 pieces. Okay, interesting, guys. Let me go ahead and try and push. It's hot. It is hot. Definitely not turning on. This thing just completely came out, disconnected everything. I'm gonna start using some tools here to try and pry it open. There you go, almost there. 20 minutes later. Yes. We can finally see. Oh my goodness, guys, both the case and the phone just absolutely destroyed. What the heck? The back is literally in perfect condition. There's no crack, no shatter, not a single shatter on the back display. But look at this, the front completely popped out. Just the seal completely broken. Battery looks shriveled up. Horrible condition. So that wraps it up, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Still kind of shocking to me. I've never seen something like this to where, you know, the front is cracked. It's in a case, which first of all, I thought the phone would completely survive for some reason, but the phone just obliterated inside one of the strongest cases. And you guys could see the bottom here just completely apart. Fortunately, I was able to retrieve that video, but that pretty much wraps it up. Thanks for watching, guys. As always, stay tuned for more videos, and peace out.